Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to subscribe to Kindle Unlimited on Amazon. First things first, open up your browser and head on over to Amazon. Once here in the top right, ensure that you are logged in with your account that is linked to your Kindle. So if you're not already logged in, log in now. And then in the top left under Amazon, click the three lines next to all. Under digital content and devices, navigate down to Kindle e-readers and books and click that. And then scroll down to under Kindle Store and then click Kindle Unlimited. Once you're on the Kindle Unlimited landing page, you'll have a couple of options. This is a new feature that they've just added recently where you get a 2-month deal. The price will change depending on where you are located and your currency, but you get 2 months for a lower price, or you can take the 30 days free trial. And all you do is choose the one that you want and then click the button below. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.